Hey, if you are a crypto enthusiast, then Binance Chain, the home of the BNB currency, may be familiar to you. It is designed for lightning fast trade. To do so, it must make certain trade-offs, one of which is that it is not as versatile in terms of programmability as other blockchains. Binance Smart Chain, a new blockchain with a complete environment for developing high-performance decentralized applications, is here to change that. It is designed to work with Binance Chain cross-chain, ensuring that consumers get the best of both worlds. SafeMoon Cash is a community-driven project from the Binance Smart Chain (BSC). Bitcoin Cash reaches 0.25 Bitcoin ATH. SafeMoon Cash first goal is to reach 25% of SafeMoon's maximum market cap. SafeMoon Cash is fully committed and wants to make it happen, but its ambition goes beyond that. They believe their tokenomics is superior to SafeMoon, as do the community. SafeMoon Cash is 100% community driven, that is their strength and set them apart. They have a very dedicated community that brings many skills to the table. Their core team is made up of tech enthusiasts, graphic designers, software fanatic, and marketing experts who love cryptocurrencies. SafeMoon Cash will bring several use cases to the world to cryptocurrency that will set them apart from the masses. SafeMoon Cash was quickly launched by members of the BSC community in April 2021 after SafeMoon reached a market cap of over $4 billion. With high transaction taxes, they are SafeMoon's top earners. In contrast, SafeMoon Cash provides passive reward holders through static reflexes. By beating SafeMoon Cash in the pool, it increases its own capital, ensuring liquidity. They believe in their superior tokenomics and the fact that they have completely given up ownership of smart contracts, making them unique. With the help of their community, not only the sky but the galaxy is limit. Everyone is welcome, everyone is equal. Hope on and get ready for the biggest adventure of their lives. Now, let's talk about their marketing structure. The SafeMoon team will enhance their global reach and invite the entire globe to join them on their 25% MC SafeMoon trip. Marketing has come a long way. As we all know, every day the world's top encrypted TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter influencers perform SMC campaigns. And they are also supported by Playboy model Juicy J, Platinum producer Young Tory, and many other celebrities. They also launch great giveaway on Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. For the benefit of everyone, every SafeMoon Cash transaction is subjected to a 4% tax. All holders receive 2% of all transactions. Simply holding increases your SafeMoon Cash balance. SafeMoon Cash is a community-owned project with contracts that have been released. At launch, liquidity is also on fire, so there are no mats to pull on. 2% for liquidity automatically. The liquidity pool receives 2% of each transaction to produce an ever-increasing base price, ensuring greater stability. So, why you are waiting for? Let's start and grab this golden opportunity. Thank you.